Jumapili.
Jeni Gongor Perpetual machin na nyora netro bin yen Soko TV oboroso bomobusi.
Omwancho mulire mwen Soko TV
Ngeta sen gen Soko TV ibwatira senge chao
kokoletera amangana amaya
Ayatabwati gwanchere ko rwonsi kurime yagusina isiko yagusi.
To kubekera teneni anyare ko bakawateka.
atabwati gwanchire bonda bwensi
korwa se ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Meye County ya Kisii elietari anen Caroline Mausa
Kurwe County ya Nyamira elietari Nyarike Steven Embonde
kurwa se county ya Kisii iretariane Wycliffe Orenge
Mera na inche Dominic Onderi Nyabuto. Ekera yago koreta amangana amaya ko ritukira Jumatatu bakari tukira Jumapili.
Jeni Gongor Perpetual machin na nyora netro bin yen Soko TV oboroso bomobusi.
Eye nen Soko TV oboroso bomobusi.
Emambia ya omurigereria bwa Soko no kwigena kwa nebuna emambia oni igere bya andonsi asore na kwabokire bya ekerogenderete emirimo yawe yerituko eyegana Soko TV oboroso bwo mubusi omoroberi netorobini chitariki ni sano umutinyu gatatu omwaka bweshiribu bere 2025 noyomo gukwarigania andonsi asore onyare ko bagusangana into kurubonega gwikachinsa isano nemo cyumugaso bweritiko rero astogo cyo kwenekeringa ariagendete gukoreka ase ebinyoro ao kunyarore ko bagukuyamanya onyago nabo gutobwatia ase ensemo yemitandao ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nabo igo Instagram amitandao yonsi yekerero tonyore buna Soko TV kerogwa chirega buna bokunyara ko baguko like nabo igo nyako bago share link yiga erinde nyare ko bagwikera abange irietariane Linet Nyambane amoroberi bwetorobeni ochakire bene Etorobini nigo toko yachaka kurwa ase county ya Kisii buna enchereyemo yogo segeta amasomo asti skuru chaguse nigo eskuru yabanyaruka ya Our Lady of Lourdes ya Nyabururu Girls Ywere National School yariganirie workshop yabari mube amurimo bwegesongo nabo igo egeswahili abubara chigosomani encherayo komenta umukia ase amasomaya eyega nigo gosomoroberi yega nigo oroberi gochigokorekana rit kuri ya Jumapili asebono abari mu bomereme yubanyare ko baba kuborirwa banyare ko baba gwika asobonge
ndagete gwakira Nyasaye mbuya mono asengencho yerisa tingi yatwete last year we had a mean of 9.863 in English and a mean of 10.2 in Kiswahili. In English we had A plain 61 and A minus 112. Well, in Kiswahili it was A plain 96 and 135 A minuses. Eneri saa tengi ya mono sana asengencho in the entire region ya Nyanza. In English we are number 3 after Maranda Boys, which is number 1 with a mean of 10.1 and Asumbi Girls with a mean of 10.0. Asengencho yayo intune familia Nyabururu Girls National School want to invite our teachers from basically Kisii and Nyamira and the environs ba cham to cham tororengankieke turakore aso ku improve research ya bana baito which school chetu Chionsi both boys and girls. That's why on Sunday tarehe 8 omutienyi oyo kujaka saa 2 tukabwate workshop ya bari mbege Swahili nege songo ase Nyabururu Girls toche we share tomanyanga nkitora akore erinde mini ya languages improve and maintain unatwa maintain seitoga Nyabururu. Not that we have special students, we have normal students, the same students probably you have in your school. But what is this thing which we do very unique? So our Limuvaito Bega Songo na Bega Swahili, we want to welcome you. We come and we share on Sunday. And to our principals, kindly allow the teachers to come, we share, and you will see a difference in the results come next year. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let us meet on Sunday.
Tukurugabu ase county ya Kisii ni gutugwikaga iga ase county ya Nairobi ase umuyiga bwa masabo onyarite ko bagokorekana ase county ya Nairobi imeye kanisa yemo amasabayu ase chiyamate cha bari basireti obugima bwabo ase omubasukano bwendege ritko rya Jumamosi ase gati yabo arenge omubunge bwensemo ya Emmanuel Dikil uyo kurukwa Joana Ngeno anyate ko bagosiria obugima bwaye nabo igo chiyamate cha bari chifamily chiri isano niko banyate bagwika sensemeyo ase banyate ko bakuruchinkwana na kubarera abamwabo ase chinkwana cyabo niko bainyoire chiyamate cyabo nabarenge abantabaya nabo igo abarai nabasani niko begeta sensemeyo tigaturanyore ari banyate ko bagukwana ritko regoro.
As a husband, he was my partner, my friend, and my greatest support. We shared many memories together, moments of joy, challenges we overcame, and dreams for our family. Those memories will forever remain in my heart. Today, as we mourn in his absence, we mourn in his absence, but we also celebrate the beautiful life he lived and the love he gave us. Though he has left this world, his spirit lives in our children, in the values he taught us, and in the love we will continue to share as the family. Rest in peace, my dear husband. You will always be loved, always be remembered, and never be forgotten. Thank you.
Dear son, I have led this family for many years, teaching strength, discipline, and responsibility. Yet nothing prepared me for the day I will have to say goodbye. To you. Your resilience has been unmatched. Your dedication to serve the people was left. I saw in you a steady spirit and heart willing to serve others. You listened, you learned, and you carried yourself with respect. I believe you will one day stand beside me, helping me to guide this family forward. You leave behind your brothers and sisters. I will continue to stand firm for them. But your absence will always be felt. Still, your memory will remain quite kind, reminding us of duty, unity, and perseverance. Rest in peace, Carlo. That was the name my dad used to call Carlo. Your place in this family story will never be forgotten.
So, I'm Betty Bet, Nick. Brother-in-law. Nick was my brother-in-law. So Nick was just a young and ambitious person, graduated recently from Maseno University, and we are so saddened by his loss. So let me thank each and every one of you for coming here today so that we can mourn all the members who lost their lives. Nick was just a young and ambitious person, and he was very industrious in his work that he did. I remember the time when Mheshimiwa recognized his work and really invited him to do his work. So at that time, Nick was very happy. He was like, wow, my work has been recognized by Mheshimiwa, and I'm going to be part of his camera person. So his mother was very happy because he knew that life has begun. Not only that, not knowing that it was only going to be cut short within a very few years. So I think it is barely 1 year since he worked for Mheshimiwa, because he finished the internship with the county government of Bomet, and that is from there when he got the work with Mheshimiwa to be his camera person. So I think the light of the family has really gone dim because he was the breadwinner of the family. And we are really saddened by his loss. Nick, we loved you so much, but God loved you the more. We will dearly miss you. Thank you so much.
In their eyes, you were a hero. In mine, You were a gentle, devoted father with the biggest heart. You were my beginning, was still new and pure. Losing you feels like losing the music of my youth, the laughter, the dreams, the simplicity of believing we had endless time. But even death cannot take what we built. It cannot erase the love, the memories, the family we created. You'll always be my Joha. Rest gently, my love. You're forever part of me.
Our late brother, George, was an accomplished pilot. He served about 30 years in the military, and of course he choppered so many of the generals in the army. And when he retired from the army, he eventually became a commercial pilot for about 10 years. In those 10 years, he choppered so many of the dignitaries we have in the house today, in the church today. And he did his work with the zeal and the determination of a professional pilot. I don't wish to say much, because much will be said when we now pay tribute to him as a person, later on as a family. But we first of all wish to thank those people who have come through for us, starting with His Excellency the President, the CS Murkomen, who was a very good friend of our brother, very well known to him. We wish to thank PS Ray Omolo, the Narok County government, and his employer, plus also the MPs and the PSC, who have actually supported us through this very tough journey that we are going through. Now, the little thing I just want to say is that we are gathered here to mourn. We are going to bury them. But after burying them, and the dust settles, then the reality dawns that our brothers will not be there anymore for us. But of course, their legacy remains, and there are people they've left behind. My Shemeji Emily will be left here alone, but of course we have support systems for her. The children, who of course are still in college, will definitely need support from well-wishers. So we wish to thank you and ask you to continue praying for us. Thank you very much.
I have come here with a lot of pain to say bye-bye to a young man, Ngeno. This young man, I came to know him in 2012. In 2012, he was a very close friend of my late brother, Raila Amolo Odinga. And I met him in Raila's office, and he was very passionate to be with us in our party, ODM. And he wanted to contest the seat in Murwadi Kir on ODM ticket. But unfortunately, after trying to campaign for a few months there, he came back and told us that the constituency where he wants to contest will not vote for him if he stands on an ODM ticket. That was very honest. And he told us that he was going to contest on Jubilee, and that was more acceptable, and he was going to still be with us, and he joined us in Parliament. Personally, you know, I joined Parliament in 1994. And I have not left it until today.
For me, this is the saddest day of my life. I've lost a son-in-law who is married to my daughter, Anna Yanoi. I've also lost one of my employee, Rono, who is my protocol officer. All these young men who are laying here from my county. Even the pilot. In several occasions, he has been in my county, so I know him very well. And when I received the sad news that there's a chopper that have an accident in Nandi, I decided to travel all the way to where the incident happened. And I must say that that was the lowest time of my life. Because John Angeno was one of my political pillars. And all these people are my friends in one way or another. Let me say polly to the families. I want to thank the following people. One, the people of Nandi and the people of Uasin Gishu. They were there with us when all this happened. And I want to thank the Honorable Speaker of the National Assembly, my good brother Moses Wetangula, because immediately you formed the committee that really helped us from Uasin Gishu to Nairobi. And even, I think, Honorable Meli forgot to say that we have been with them together from the word go.
Togotigana nayo ni gotogoswa igagose togotigara gigase county ya Nairobi ase omobunge o West Mugirango omoske Steve Mogaka anyare kobaga kwokoboko omoswada ori okurigereria ebintu ebike n'obotimo kibwenibo ase bunge nene oyo oyigetigwa ase bunge yo no muraibu abange ase bunge Kimani Ichung'wah asatebire omoswada oyo ni gogochia koigora nabo igogochia gukinya uchumi yense oise gweta.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for giving me the opportunity to support this most innovative and progressive law that is going to transform the railway transport in this republic. Madam Speaker, those who have traveled know that the most cost-effective mode of transport, particularly for cargo, is either water or railway. And most developed countries, name them, Britain, United States, China, use railway as their mode of transport, even for passenger. The SGR model was supposed to give Kenyans an appetite on how railway transport can transform transportation. Otherwise, we have hitherto been locked on road transport, which is not only very costly, but also very risky because the fatalities we record on road transport are unforgivable in heaven. Madam Speaker, in Gusii region, we have never seen any railway service being extended there. And I do celebrate the 5th President of the Republic of Kenya for magnanimously accepting that we can not only extend the SGR from Nairobi, Naivasha to Kisumu, but that there will be an extension into the Gusii land, and that we will even be having a stage at Ikonge. Madam Speaker, you don't know how transport will be revolutionized in that region. Because Gusii region, we never lack rain. And our farms, small as they may be, are the most productive and yielding. But the frustration has been to the farmers that cannot get their produce to the market in good time and cost effectively. I say this railway, this levy, this fund we are creating today, opening up an opportunity not only to expand the SGR to Ikonge as originally approved by His Excellency the President, but I say a railway line extending to Homa Bay County, extending to Migori County, and even connecting us to our neighbors in Tanzania through Isibania. And I tell you, Madam Speaker, that is going to be a game changer, because those who have been frustrating people traveling by thinking that we were only going to rely on buses and shuttles, they will be shocked that through railway transport, a passenger will get to Nairobi faster, more cost effectively, and that is going to reduce the cost of living, the cost of operation, the cost of business, and that is going to increase the profitability of our businesses, our investments, and our agriculture. If this railway comes and, for instance, gets to my constituency, and you know, Madam Speaker, Gusii land is very hilly and very rocky. In fact, I dare say that the Gusii people should wake up now, because the best gravel, the best construction material for both roads and ballast come from that region. I look at my people at Rangenyo, I look at the quarries around Nkora, and I see that railway transport helping my investors and my ballast manufacturers to load cartons, or call them vessels of ballast that are going to be used by contractors to improve our roads. Madam Speaker, my region of Nyamira in particular is very well endowed with fruits like loquats, avocados, bananas. We are the best growers of tea, sugar, potatoes, pineapples, only to name but a few. But this produce never gets to market. And this levy we are creating today guarantees my region of railway services, and therefore our farmers will be getting access to market real time. I also see, Madam Speaker, that our brick industry, because we are endowed with a lot of wetland where our people manufacture bricks for construction. These bricks flood the Gusii market and do not get away to get to the rest of the construction market in this country. How I wish that this bill was passed, this amendment was passed faster, and the railway was installed faster, so that our Gusii bricks can get to the market. They are the most beautiful, the most compacted, best compacted, and they are going to change the world. Madam Speaker, don't forget that the precious stone called soapstone also finds its mines in Gusii land. When we extend these railway services to the soapstone manufacturing areas where Honorable Silvanus Osoro comes from, and the Bonchari MP, we are going to get those heavy precious stones easily to the market. And I can tell you, those who do not know that they are beautiful, the moment they get the soapstones, they are going to enjoy the Gusii soapstone products, which are admired all over the world. Madam Speaker, the design of this bill, by introducing a board, makes it a standalone that makes it the most transparent and accountable manner of collecting levies and public funds in this republic. And any corporation, and Madam Speaker, you are my law teacher, any corporation goes with articles that govern its regulation, internal regulation. I heard earlier, Madam Speaker, people complaining about a borrowing power granted to a corporation. Any corporation has an inherent borrowing power, lest you forget when a check is issued and the funds have not been drawn or transferred from one account to the checking account, that check risks being bounced and embarrassing that corporation when the bank would have had that discretion relying on the borrowing power in the articles of association to clear that check and then offset it with the other accounts which are in credit. So the introduction of the board and board members introduces a very critical safeguard that ensures that these public funds are, as the evangelists would have put it, itakuwa chini ya mwamba na mwamba juu yake. And I really thank the committee that has designed this, and remember that the board members always have a fiduciary duty to act in the best interest of the corporation. So worry not, Kenyans, that once this board is established, that it is going to be a conveyor of corruption or things of that nature. It is the most transparent way of governance, and it gives the Auditor General a very good framework to track all the funds that have been given to that board, and it is going to help us grow this country. Madam Speaker, I need not say that our road transport is the most unsafe. And the moment we introduce railway transport in this country, that is the second safest road transport, rather mode of transport. And for that reason, Madam Speaker, I...
Tugutigara na yabwatikaine ekomiti gose ime bunge nene ekomiti ekumurekera endemero ase bunge nene nigobono gose nigo yanyare kobage goteba buna gose yamentire amatuko yo kurigereria na gotegerera ekina kyo bututukani bore aso mogondo bwe ye company yokorosia esukari ya Miwani Sugar Mills asebatebire ekine kyo gegetigo ase bunge nigo kinomo bunge bwensemo ya South Suba Carol Omondi nigo batebire buna bado nigo baganeti amatuko nabo igo obutuki boime erigwikirana engani eyo bakorawa no mubunge Joash Nyamoko bano batebire buna nigo bago chikogenda asenseme eyo erikurigia obutuki boisaine eri bache gotegerera ekinekyo na kurwa enachikobwatikana no bututukanu bo mugondo abo bore ase company yokorosia MSC ya Miwani Sugar Mills.
Miwani is part of my jurisdiction as a member of parliament. I want to confirm most of the things that our receiver manager has articulated here, because I and him have been working together. This issue, I and him and a colleague of mine not present, then for Tindred May, we've been working together. Part of Miwani is owned by Tindred, and a large part is in Muhoroni. So the locals know very well that they gave this land long time ago for the purpose of running in the sugar industry, which the government promised, the colonial government, and later Kenyatta government and Timor government, that would create economic empowerment to the locals and employment, and the rest that come with this kind of industrialization. The sugar industry was run very well by the ancients. When they went down, the government came, then they started a ping-pong game, typical of the government bureaucracy, where, you know, people are sent to manage a thing, and they have instruction and loyalties elsewhere. So they start with running down the industry. So we have had problems with the industry that has not been functioning, and then now the land became a target. Finally, in 2007, I was not a member of parliament, but I became actively involved when we got wind that the industry or the land had been purportedly been sold in an auction that never existed, an auction that never took place. And we made life difficult for these people. We must thank the receiver managers of the day. They're not the ones here, Witty and another one, and Bet. They did very well. They went to court, we mobilized our people. and these people went to court. This matter was heavily investigated by EACC, and how I wish that 2 people from EACC, all EACC could be called here. The then chair, Professor Patrick Lumumba. He heavily gave directions. Arrests were made, and everything was, sanity was restored. Then these people went to court. They did not go anywhere. The land has been held by trust by government through Kenya Sugar Board, and the Kenya Sugar Board through the Minister of Agriculture appointed receiver managers. There have been 3 layers of receiver managers. This was the last one, and they have all looked after the land very well. It's the receiver managers of Moroni Sugar Company who have been overseeing the function of the land, and therefore they're the people who have been using the land, tilling the land, growing sugarcane and mailing, all the way from Iwani to Moroni. But something happened. Sometimes the government came up with an idea they wanted to build an EPZ in my constituency, and they earmarked some land somewhere, not very far from Iwani. And there was an attempt, the day I think they were coming, to come to officially launch it. Good luck, I was in South Africa, but my people resisted. The former Prime Minister went there, the government ministers, the former transport and several ministers. They went there and it was mayhem, they were flushed out. They later on, they relocated now, they were coming to Miwani, and we were told that they wanted to build an EPZ in Miwani. And we said to the public, we have no problem. If it is EPZ, we allow them tomorrow, we allow them today, another day. Now we had public participation, and our people made it very clear. If it is EPZ, this is public land. The government can take 10,000 acres, can take 1,000 acres, or can take 100, whatever they want. But we don't want to hear anything called Crooksland. And we agreed.
Because I saw that it's so many companies, but the ownership seems to be going a certain direction. And then does this mean that the information that we got from the PS is contradicting what the Cabinet Secretary may have said on the floor of the House? Is that what the Honorable is saying?
Chair, I will avail the Speaker, the answer response from this year. And it says, diverse exactly what I've said.
I want to say the last one. I've just looked at what we got from the Cabinet Secretary, thanks to our Secretariat, and realized that they concentrated on a certain period of time and ignored what happened earlier. Is there a chance that someone in the ministry is misleading the Cabinet Secretary or the PS? You know, Cabinet Secretaries come and go. And when you are seated in the office, you ask for information. And people may decide to give you selective information. Because when you look at the response from the PS, I believe that someone may have misled.
Yeah, that's why we never proceeded with the session, you remember? We said that we give him more.
Because what we are getting here is a lot of information that really was never shared.
The PS is coming back on Thursday, this coming Thursday, which is a day from today. The day after tomorrow.
Chair,
the day after tomorrow.
Chair, just to complete my statement, I believe that matters that have gone to court and decisions that have not been met, the expertise that we have in the ministry cannot miss this unless someone is selectively giving the Cabinet Secretary or the PS wrong information for a specific purpose. And I think, Chair, if we realize that that is happening, then this committee should take it very seriously.
You know, when his life is threatened, then he must be protected. Because those who are threatening him, they must be the ones who have been mentioned that they're holding the land illegal. And now we have two titles here, Chair. We have the original one and the provisional one. So we should also try to see the EACC, what was their report about the provisional title and vis-a-vis the original one. And then we call the chief land register, because he's the custodian of all the land registers in this country, to confirm if the original title changed. And if it did not change, then how did this one acquire the provisional? This one shows that there is fraud somewhere. And that's where now we should dig in. How did he manage to get provisional title, and there's an original title. Thank you, Chair.
Subsequently, although I'm not very good in English, subsequently, payment of 680 million was made to Delphis Bank and the other major creditors. So there's no association of Delphis Bank and Oriental. And 330 was paid to, maybe English has a problem. The figures are the same, but there is a problem with English.
No, John, let me explain that. When you talk of, I think, receiver manager, yes, just draw a line between the Oriental and it's what I'm trying to draw. The chair, honorable chair, that's what I'm trying to draw. Because when you talk of Delphis, we are talking of Delphis and other major creditors. Whereas if you go to the bracket which I've explained, the other major creditor is this one now known as Messrs. Sujit. In bracket, Oriental refers to Delphis, and it was Delphis and other major creditor, where the other major creditor is now Sujit.
Chair, yes. When you go to a letter dated 7 February 2005, page 4, from Oriental, formerly Delphis, and again you come to page 5, subsequently payment done was made to Delphis and other. I mean, that's why our honorable member, my colleague, is saying unless there is a problem with English, because 7th of February we had Oriental, which was formerly Delphis. Again, we are Delphis is appearing again, and yet Delphis was already changed to Oriental. So unless there is confusion, which I'm also getting mixed up, just like my colleague, I don't want to come.
Togotigaragabu ase county ya Nairobi umurai bwense ya Kenya omoske William Ruto ritiko ria rero nigo anyora chi certificate gose amasakara kurwa ase abambassador ao bechinse cheisko au baremeyense ase omoyego yokorekana egekegeke gietire emambia yeritiko ria rero ase omoyego yo agati yabarai nigo banyara ko baba gwikasense meyo abo banyara ko baba ko bakirori asomoyego yo.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, I have the honor to present to you Ms. Rulan Samara, Ambassador Designate of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan.
Your Excellency, President of the Republic of Kenya, it is a profound honor to stand before you today to present the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan in this great nation. And it is with great pride that I present to Your Excellency the letters of credence by which His Majesty King Abdullah II appoints me as Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan to the Republic of Kenya, together with the letters of recall of my predecessor. I have the honor to convey to Your Excellency the warmest personal greetings and best wishes of His Majesty King Abdullah II bin Hussein, along with His Majesty's sincere hopes for your continued good health and happiness, and for the enduring progress, prosperity and peace of the friendly people of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency, the relationship between Jordan and Kenya is rooted in a deep and abiding friendship, characterized by mutual respect, shared values, and a common vision for regional and global stability. We deeply value Kenya's leadership in East Africa and its unwavering commitment to peace. Our robust partnership in the realm of security, notably through Kenya's vital role in the Aqaba process, stands as a testament to our shared resolve to combat terrorism and foster a more secure world. Jordan remains fully committed to continuing this cooperation with Kenya to ensure the safety of our respective regions. Beyond our shared security objectives, there is immense untapped potential to deepen our economic and cultural ties. as two dynamic hubs, Jordan as a gateway to the Middle East and North Africa, and Kenya as the economic engine of East Africa, we are uniquely positioned to enhance our bilateral trade. During my tenure, it will be my primary mission and personal commitment to elevate our bilateral relations to new heights. I intend to focus on expanding trade flows and strengthening cooperation in key sectors, including agriculture, healthcare, information technology, tourism, and direct investment. In addition to enhancing coordination in multilateral fora, especially at the United Nations, to uphold international law, support the aspirations of the Global South, and the peaceful resolution of conflicts. Your Excellency, as I officially begin my mission today with great optimism, I pledge to dedicate my utmost efforts to work closely with the Kenyan government and private sector to ensure our partnership remains resilient, forward-looking, and mutually beneficial. I humbly ask for the support of Your Excellency and the cooperation of your esteemed government to further strengthen the bonds of friendship between our two countries. May God bless Your Excellency, and may God bless the enduring friendship between the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan and the Republic of Kenya.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 134B of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credits and authorize you to pursue the interests of your government within Kenya's territory to the fullest extent by promoting the mutual interests and aspirations of the people of our two nations. Congratulations, Ambassador, on your appointment.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Welcome to Kenya, and my very best wishes
Thank you very much.
on your tour of duty. Thank you very much.
His Excellency joined the Foreign Affairs Service of the Republic of Mozambique in 1979 and has since served in various capacities, both at the headquarters and in several Mozambican diplomatic missions abroad. In 2022, he was designated Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Mozambique to the Federal Republic of Brazil and successfully concluded his tenure in 2025. In 2026, he was designated High Commissioner of the Republic of Mozambique to the Republic of Kenya. He is married and a father of 3 children. Your Excellency, like you, he enjoys farming.
Habari asubuhi. Your Excellency Dr. William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, Excellencies, distinguished guests, at the outset, allow me to convey to Your Excellency Dr. William Samuel Ruto the warm greetings and sincere compliments of His Excellency Daniel Francisco Chapo, President of the Republic of Mozambique, together with his best wishes for Your Excellency's continued good health and for the sustained peace, prosperity, and development of the Republic of Kenya. It is with great honor and privilege that I present to Your Excellency the letter of credence accrediting me as High Commissioner of the Republic of Mozambique, the Republic of Kenya. I also have the honor to convey the letter of recall of my predecessor, His Excellency Jeronim Shivavi, who successfully concluded his mission and departed Nairobi on 20th of November 2025. Allow me to express my profound gratitude to His Excellency Daniel Francisco Chap for the trust and confidence bestowed upon me in appointing me to represent the Republic of Mozambique in this great and friendly country. Your Excellency, as I assume my responsibilities, I respectfully request the continued support and cooperation of the government of the Republic of Kenya in the successful discharge of my duties. I will endeavor to work closely with the Kenyan authorities to unlock the full potential of our bilateral partnership for mutual benefit of our people. Please accept, Your Excellency, the assurance of my highest consideration and my personal commitment to further strengthening
Bemono omurigiria soko gendera gutubwatio murubiri no ibwe turubini kerondo chechi ategere chidageka edageka ya moyo kichikoraga chinsa isano chabono mambia tukuragenda omutimo moke tukwirana omogenito okiregega se studio Dr. Bernard Ombati uyogo chikobaga goto manye gosega goto semia kubwatekana no boremi bwa ekerero goso oboremi bwechi avocado chekerero igege ntoko kora ikaranso ike bandu mbaro bamaito boremi no boremi avocado kurutente guchi mugondo mategali ochonyore ya mire yaya Bernard ngotwerera senchira ya bene kigima tumanyina ki muna anene chief card chikachikuru ku hasha fakade chichanyara ko bachikuire emirime yense ya Kenya oburi mubwana kibogo koru na kyo koronyore chinteterecho irindo nyako bagugukinia oburi mibwo gokoraga bugusi asore nyekubwate nganende urachikogani kumanya kubwatekana no oburi mibwekerero gwechi avocado na bogutorikera ujumbe yana begutangana gochagega se studio kurika ujumbe gwetera se namba ite studio yuere 0788666663 ujumbe tangana ototaina ki kubwatekana no bore mwebega bwekerero bwacha avocado mono chimanyika ntibuna hasha avocado kerekeke gubwate buremi no muremi ore gose ngerekyo taite kumanyira indo chako buremi ubu ayo amona yanda mange egekegekekere bose tochare
Eye Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
tie betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieliberera gusenga kiyobo kendu tawe chanika Autobat Kenya Limited no tuligigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuro.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goserwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikiagarira Nsoko TV twachire gutorigesa ko kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwariro
oboroso bomugusi boigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinchira chiago goikaransanse na kobeke TV yao kwene kingangwe somyo regekoro kyomugusi
wetro murobiryo bwigekoro yeito hasi tokomera nabaga kaba Samuelere nabuiga bangi nabanyika iligo kwanero kwebo ya chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yumugusi
kera lituko ria ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na mbeye Nsoko TV
na Stephen Nyariki Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ibyengia yakire ngumanga binalero
kera kama tingatara ndaikitaoni ya Nyamira nare na shauri sangwe ngarorombo ijana
Murigirani bwa Nsoko TV uyu no moroberio gwo kuongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Yang'au turabe tukumira na kira litukurie iki guchakira chinsa 10 cha mogoroba wikense yemo ya butuko kugwakorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubuyanda chitasekerugo orambulete mirundo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ya screen ne chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Yang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to amereria
bakaliya omoto yakabwatwa bakaliya omoto yakabwatwa amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
Kurumucho mano Nairobi Kisii Nyamira nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano emanyi amange naboigo bwatira Nsoko TV koigeka chingenjo chyomugusi Nsoko TV oboroso bwomugusi eye Nsoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
Biamono kigima omurigirire bwa Nsoko no kwegena kwane bunani gogendete konyora obosemia na bwego ni gogendete konyora omurubiri bwetu rubini asenchira ya bene kigima kero na kumanyi kero twendo mutimo komo kena kumanyinga ritkuria rero ni gotuguchigo soma gose kwegera no boremi bwechi avocado anene chekerero echimanyikanite buna avocado umurayi itogose mwarimu ito ugochikobaga gotoira through engano yo nyara kobaga gwikagega se studio asara chikobaga gotwerera na kibuno ayo kerore gusiga bwa kamugunda kuka ubwatagake guse ubwogote abo meta bantu mbarororo ogotanga tubwati mugondo gosimeke mete acha gugukorera onega Dr. Mbati ngochera gotwerera totenga ki oboremi obuiga na kiborago konye unyare koba gugwikini asenjera yo bwenchereria bokwebese na bwego bogokonya no nawe nyare koba gukuragera na bwego komenya obomenyo buya. Dr. Mbati karibu sana.
Asante. Asante sana.
Bia mono sana asogwika studio chetu.
Bia mono. Buna mwanyere kuigwa aserie tankoro kwa Dr. Bernard Mbati. Kurwa se kama netokoroka Benchak Fresh Farm Limited iri ari chekwat. Intuga ri tubwati binti bingi to koraso ni semo yobolemi. Mono anene mono last time ekero twarenge ga twakonerete igore ritondogoro na ndi ntwaro chinko tembia mwana saba gusiba mintu ikeno naringe sense muyetuno abantu biru mono sana gusimika matindo
bangere okoro bolemi
bamwire okora obolemi na bo gasiri tukuri ari tuchugo cha sense mu ya avocado ekena ringe gusina rigereti nkara abantu abange mangeta avocado lakini tunakumiti mono sana nekero nasangitiri ritunda ri avocado rigori rya gusirire rigoro no kubwana na Nairobi gaiga
ekwa kumetiga riri igoro kubwana
nende kubwana na Nairobi asengencho avocado yarekaneke gutumika mono asense mu yitu ya ensize yitu ya Kenya igori tukore tuju kwa na sobwango asengencho biro bya nyarire kwera asengencho ritukore tukwa ni igori ya avocado yashi ntubwati kinya chinyinge chi avocado eyemo yabo tukunyuruka fuete iya kabiri tubwate tukato kiekerero ngongo kwana kibukatu kiekerero
chonsi echo kwana ni cha avocado
asha avocado tubwate hasha avocado ine yemo yabo na ni tubwate iye kiri kikokorerwa gento kuruka padding ku crafting etibwate kiene ibere eyeme kuruka hasha avocado yende kuruka fuete lakini tukulere tukujukwana specifically asha avocado asingenju yake asha avocado yarekanike bwate di market ko si chirere nene kubwa avocado ya kawaida na boira bona muntu danza kubori na ki koso oyu morigereria abori na asha avocado ne riye ikera mutu asangimo inkari akira kurigera bakate niyo sibwate injiragete yakorekanire mwamu na asha avocado asha avocado ne avocado ere ekirego chikokongi ekotwara ere mwamu ne kirego chikotoba obu mwamu bwawe bo komenta kubo muna bwanenge karo yako netegete keke yari ngembese ntwe bona ki avocado yekuchukwa na ki avocado na ki kunya
otaragendra Dr. Mbati gabo ase gwatebrenga hasa avocado geiga kero ego tobae konya kobe mwamu ichiko konya chire green chiro china na chiro chingo tana watagota gunechi hasa avocado okonyora chire green gaito no chiro chechi chire sane chiro bo avocado getobo keiga bore green bora bumbo tobamba bo bese bori that category
asa hash avocado specifically really hash avocado it is supposed to be ebwenete koba ekerego chikotoba ebe ere mwamu ekichiko ekere kongete ebe mwamu arafu ekerego chikotoba obo mwamu buli bwaye bobe bokorete gento kike bobo bonge bomwameti lakini tubwate te wane chachire kurwa asensema ya Berlin ambaye ni ash avocado lakini ash avocado tiyanjira singe imeyaye egusange bwatembera nere mwamu iwona ash avocado recommended niri tokoroka na pambi dark pambi ere yani ere mwamu ekirego chikotoba yaba kegotoba ke mwamerete mono
kero kende na kiubone kero utagete inkige kogera kwanza asaba ni bari gusiba noiga muntu narororo banje avocado yenene kabisa maite chia no maite gusiba na tosisenyiri avocado kwama emore kabisa bono inkige kogera totebe ara change kurwa sobore mioboiga bwaye na bori neri agusiki kwa rutire ntetero maite gali okuruta ya emeria ndori gosimeka avocado in fact tindo cheke ronki ne to gosimeka avocado cha avocado chonsi chiri chiare kwa emeria mwatugure chinde eri ende mwateba mutori ngwanso orenge nyetige ngekora bano ratebi mugusia nyare ko baga gutiga method yu ye chief card chinkore yu gutogucharia emeri ange kubwato boremi bwega bwa Chef Avocado.
Asante sana umuraria egento gekoro tubono twikire ngaki togokora uburimi bukuruka ukulima biashara tutike uburimi buri twari kulima twarema twaria bone egento gekoro tube togotia abarimi baitu na tiga barime egento kiranyare kuba egento gusikira nyare kuba kibesa na igeko tukwata inaki Chef Avocado igukwenyesimeka in 2 years wansira kogesa ninga ebukatiri twagatumikire kare ebukatiri nene ikwa kunyesimeka bono iga yamanya koire emiaka paka no bugwasagina ki no bone emiaka kwa beire ebukatiri yasimegetwe yaire emiaka around 6 years yamakora gintu kike yamanya kwama lakini avocado ya hash kurukwanye simeka onyebekera obwoyo within 2 years you start once kunyora harvest na harvest ukikunyore igere nene kuritangane gendereta komenta as it grows. Yeah,
what makes as avocado different kurwa Chef Card chichinde cha kawaida tonare think about kibata
Chef Avocado because of egento gekora Chef Avocado yabe engao ni yende Chef Avocado kero kunyesimeka iwo kusimeka embegu ye ordinary avocado ya kawaida kwamanya kwanda kwali gento kuruka science kwa koragento kwanye burukani igwiminiti kwa koragenya korage sege so to kuruka grafting yeah kero kwanye ruka kwa korage grafting as budding kwama yamanya go change yaba ge kwa mausobu wango engabuna kare ngakitwa abenge kusiyalia ogusange avocado yabeire netanya kubeka bisicha umuntu mo uchiko le yomoro onyaka kero kwa nyakiri yanza wakora gento kike
kubeka bisicha
yanza kubeka bisicha bono ekibone ngabuna bono oko ebukatirenke kwanyara ko kindi kyose ke gutete kenyare kubeke amagwa sobwango igo rasimo kibe okegento kuruka kebe kego strain igone kero kwa beke kwa kanyekore bukate kwa nyekorere padding abu ya change na ndekero kwa ichi change bono yanza kubeka bisicha sobwango etuvuti roro avocado ye niriende ya endo gya kabire avocado ya onali ekedo yatobire ama tukato tuyasarikire
ya kawaida
ya kawaida ama tukabire yakore ntu kike yasarikire bono tukurukanera Chef Avocado ekero ye kwa yabekire nandi yatobire nabe gukora chiwikibire kiro on a shelf itari gusarika igiringi ya gukya asabari abakori biasara senje mbo gutakendo koreta mambi yakore ntu kike yasarikire
egento kire kwa kwanire gabunga Chef Avocado bado embegu gutumika ni Chef Avocado ya kawaida naki totebe umuntu nanya ko baga kwera seribono totebe ngwateba rinde nga ogende guchimata Avocado ri na rutitali ya merire umuntu na roseri embegu yaye bona tebe ngatiga nkorubulemyo.
Asante mbia mono na uwe korera egento kitakirimo mono it is the sioning eri gutumika gukorera bono padding yansi ni chibono mono chitu buna bonete tuguchirusia sensemo ya muraga abono ochire asegusi echikurukericho no chikuru mono sana because kericho ne era korete ndikiki ne erange igona bogwe ekora no kurarariga buna asegusi asensemo tubwatemba asinyamira county tubwate nantu bwatu muntu ogotokorera oi padding na asense me abosongo alias angana kari ndubwatu muntu rubwate nasari ororo you can be able to get those seedlings amba kire qualified because already na bora se kwa bekire padding ebwate some uburwaire kire kwa bekire nyike bwate uburwaire igobona kwambukerie ebukate yonspe igombu yatunyorete certified seedlings kire kiranyara kobabuya asiro rwito ya gusi
ingia ukagirete nga Avocado egenderete ko ba popular sengenjuna totebe bisa kwibine ngusi by the gusi mbara bwatra baboreme bwega bwa Avocado tinda amanyangu ko bonderi bonde next lakini ko gocha chinseme chibuna wata chago chimoranga Nairobi ga ngoro na chichi chire chiro why is it becoming that popular compared na gusi region?
The reason why in Kisiland asegusi igente gitanga ni kyagusi kyagire etabwatete mono abantu baitu bagusi imbangite sana kibukato cyakiri cyakare alafu egaika ase avocado bakarone ko munabona nabori umuntu amagante avocado iri tire ko rento kiki ina beke koma avocado tetagiti andonsi akora gento kiki asare egesunte it needs a lot of sunlight bonita kira kero nyo to tate avocado nyare kwama kende getang turusi miringam ikini the first thing elinde bono inyar enough water alafu inyar enough sunlight that's the reason bakubeka gusikira babekire bakwo moya singi ya korire ndukike yomire yeah
mbia mono igo gwatebirenga tuise kurigerira bari agusie neri gerire montara korobore mebwa avocado
and I can call it 100% because mbaro ntubwata abantu bari bare bunabona ukesense ya mongori scheme kuna wala wamepanda babekira aliyangi na simba uti babekira ikibukato echo tuwakirigereria ni ikibukato kyabira ndi kyamire egento kerororo nugo keina nakwanire gokeania tokoroka na ebiriri ibiri bike ekero bibiri byakeire you prepare the land because na kekero na ki ekero gutaka gosimeka litundiririe avocado egente kitangani last motu aromo obolemo bwao bobuli boko drain amachi bwangu teba sokubeka lito toba sokubeka lito kense mogabu na bona endo beke gento keke avocado zema tigibe distance yeri toke na avocado ebe korete gento keke iratambe na avocado ya ira sokokora gento ki ira sokebi yeah
abantu mbara bagotebanga konyora chifukade chiga buna gwateba nchiri nene buna chiri cyaguse ingikiro chichire kobera chinene kereko ekogera gwatebe to mix chiri chinde cha kawaida toma korose mbegu ya avocado lakini kero kurige barabungwanya kwanyora avocado nene kabisa buna chiri chinkoro chetu tonarete
ege donkero rasi scientifically ndanyara kote asingi jijoa kuanyarire kubeka kuburukania engakiro korete grafting it strain nege koro sange bukateye bone ne bone ekubeka lisangurire rinene bone instead of just the food konyerosi okore bukateri yagusi lisangurire risinini sana bone kero risinini ubusangina endagere yakora gento kike ekomete kanaimi bone endagere nyinge ubusange kwirire ngakentambe korosi isangurire kokora gento kike kuba thick ili bone chiko konya go protect endagere ririme nege koro bone bukati te konya kobanene lakini utaka kobe ebenene as avocado kiashi ntubwa the half one and the round one the half one in sometimes kobere nene the round one ekubwati avocado kiri wa korrete grafting nero muno korre avocado ya grafting na avocado eriere ofo avocado go chikosokia ego chikoba ere ofo lakini ko usange bwa automate around avocado eri ashe go chikosokere kento keke ere round like usange tubwa two types of avocado. We have the half one and we have the round one. Yeah.
Bia mono kero tugendete go sense moyo moroberi omorigereria ngo tugendete go semia kubwatekana nobore mibwe kerero bwe cha avocado anene kero tukurigereria chi avocado cha hash echi cyanyare ko bachikoira emeri imeyense kero bono to kero mogeni ta kunya gutumanyiga iga na gotoseminga nase kyo bona tukubwatera obore miyogo iga koboka sanyare ko bagagotoranga avocado echi gente kitangani nchiri gusarika gosoko gunda avocado echi cha kawaida kero cha tobire ogoteba togoteba ngani go chikugunda badengo sarika chiro mutegoro cha kawaida ngo sarika chire echi ga kero ngo sarika chire
ekera avocado ya tobira asante
etaratoba echigandro konyora no yakirense moige kegosomu gasoka nyasambe gasarike chigasha avocado ngo sarika chire
tofauti ya asha avocado na eyo ya kawaida asha avocado nchiri na kongusana wakora gento ke kurwa kugukuru mutegoro because asha avocado gutumukole ryogo iryogo ta iryogo rie kibesa kinyinge iryogo ryo bokendo igento gekora avocado nyare kugukuru mutegoro ne ekero rya bwatu no bokendo ekero rya bwatu no bokendo ngutwarire some blackish black kuruguru yama kugunse lakini nyuma etaragwa siare iryo kuri bokendo kero kwase iryo kuri bokendo uburukanitire iryo kuri ebichuni ndi ko kuruguru bone ege ndonko tena ne konga na konga avocado because ari asebwa tererete ugusangia rakong kero engosi yaine enkong bono usangia ekoro ndikeke erakong na nde egento gya kabere avocado iteri nene egento kora avocado egwe it is the weight once bukate ko benene with ndende imbura buna gusialia kwa mosangina imbura ya tule no bekero bwe chiombe galia bukatu ya mu amache mwiso ya kere yakonge yagunse echita echina kongo kora gento keke kugunse egento keko ento chio kora chiko bachinyinge tofauti ya avocado ya ordinary na Ash avocado aso the first ekero kwa nyabekire amatunda yakorwa is teriko basi ya 70 dakobeke ya kawaida wasangi byose bibi agure kwasa nakabukata kama kakorende tukeke karumo teigoro na igekoro sangine erasi mebe nsinini kubugerie ndi naende yeah.
Alafu abantu barokonyora bakonyagoteba nga echiga cha avocado jechash niko chibekera mariogo echinjiemo kaite nkoko konyorora abantu bakobwa ingati bono tugucha guchiri sengenchunga na mariogo chibekere nchiri avocado chake cha kawaida nakioranya kwa kubasema
ige tuna tenkeri na in short avocado ya Ash tachemo engali tondali litokoroka ebomango ebomango nacho ni imefanywa crafting ni kubadilisha ni njia nyingine is that ni njira yemo yobole mu bwa kisasa esingicho vai karanstins apa sanse vai karanstins bakora injira kitora nyako nyora chibukato asubwango igote tebwati kene kiasene tuko tena kiemwera ororo na avocado tu ya kawaida unende yonsi etovoti eroro ngena tena ki kobenga kiere ntambe as a shelf kubuya avocado ya bona iga na ndibona abantu bakachianja mono because it is nebwate rich of omega 3 even if izingine siko nayo lakini hii because ya kukaa kwa muda mrefu kwa muda mrefu unapata at least na iko dry. Unajua unaweza enda Kisii unapata kwenye whatever kato nene lakini bwata maji even it is dry na ile kero kwenye lime umeje kuchi ni ile kitu kiki ile yellow it is good for human consumption yeah.
Kero kende sengenjo gusioma eta bantu mbaretore bitunugura abandi barange na roche Clement kiura avocado chiga chwende kubekwa
kwanza mono bali getunuguro because avocado yanjita sego amachako drain oende roche gali okusangisa chinde teteneroro etendenyo keroro amacha trigo drain akorete ntukiki aroro tu bono niita kiri avocado omunyare kunyebeka asa amachako drain amachako korage ntukiki mali kumfana kama Kisii ndio sababu na tetena ki usino avocado chibento kuba chinyinge kubona nonye wikuyo because usino ebitunu bikorende keke ebitunu bire ari imiromboko asabara bekiri tunda amachako korage ntukiki agutirimuka igona asara yapi na sagusagina tairoje roje because itina bukate tiri gutaka machi na indi mange asa machi ari excess kuna dia agotinina tichikoba
Kero kende tutebe nga anyo kubwate bantu baroro bagoteba bakoba okorobole mebwega sengencho yemetumete muna kwerere gabo batebire nga kero okorobole mebwega tobeka none meta bantu baro banjite kubeka ko basimegete chifukado ga isugumanere gaiga eyega nenyare ko bago kwala o monta kore mixed farming
actually ekire kitu kweresa bali baturigeretie gosaba lime baito bagusi avocado ya Ash inga avocado ndions nabo kunyebeka na ndobe kibintu binde kando etovoti nate ankerina to basa kunyebeka angena ase miringamu because miringamu is I can call it is not a cash crop miringamu is just error rasing gichibawo tayiro atine ndikenge enora kolera gosoire usine factory kiatu kuira factory miringamu lakini avocado ewe nonyebeka none litoke nabo kumika angena ase litoke lakini make sure you dig a trench over komutaro monene so that they don't share the nutrients tebasa kubeka because litoke liko yemirata emirande ya yatambe unachi ubuga ulime ubeke trench aiga avocado binyebeke nsemo neseme yendo kolento kiki ubeke litoke liao avocado ina beko babi yeah
bia mano kigima sengencho ndo chenga abantu bagende no njina ne kirasimende tumenye tigo senga ngokora ndubole ono tutebe process watebire nga kwanyorire seedlings chao na nyore seedlings kara to irango through that process ono na chire usena agurire that nene seedling yiga na ikirega iga no mugondone na ki the process of that ko simeke kemeri kyo gocha bano tongego kerera torore nga emyaka ibere watangurukera matunda
asante muraria egente gitanga na kwana preparation na kiguchi kusimeke avocado egente gitanga ni nyore genturu kurukana ki a certified seedling nyore embegu erengia irio matase kwa rusi kurwa embegwe ningiya na nini yare kwanchira niriro baliro begete igende gitana tena ki rosia identify the land ro mugondo ari so kuchukubeka embegwe aiga so kubeka mugondo yo nore no bwate enough sunlight gendo ya kabere aso kuchukubeka mugondo yo nore nura no mugondo ore ase moere mboko goso ore asa machara pe ko train igo minitira ki asana ro kusangina mache na sabna na yala flat lakini turo seti injira machara sa ko korege tukeke ago drain ekero kusangi bwato mugondo okore embura ke gotwa asabwa kuba amacha ko terema akachi trench so dere amacha le kire embura ya tule aswara lega aswasi chingoro ase metararime igento gyakabe korege ntokoro ka spacing ngito kwanyo te specified seedling korege ntoko spacing and density ige minute na ki it depends ya sa ubwate na kya korrekana no bwene to korege ntokoroka obe konyo kubwato mugonde 1 acre 1 acre obwente kobeke mete 162 ekero korete spacing ya 5 meters apart from one to another one 5 meters lakini nyugotete bono mibi katika bila singi kusimi gondo yetu nemekere notete katika biro beke no ne chingende usobeke
beke getungu
nabokorra spacing yaye ya 6 meters apart minute naki ase keyamo ubento kubeke mete 135 ekero wakorrego abona boko yukanipie bona tu kogesa matunara mangi igentuke na planting procedure
tigatura ndo mutimo komoke tukwira nabono abubona karo kwa ko spacing wono tumagocha kwa ko spacing tonge ugesimeka ayo mona yanda mango murigerere wansoko tuchare kwira na turinde tonyara ko batogo semani na kiugo chikoba gugosimeka kemerie kiga na kiugo chikoba gugerenda Kenya ko bagego kwa amatunda maya Ensoko TV uboroso no bumugusi.
Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bumugusi kurumucho mano Nairobi Kisii Nyamira nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya abariki baitomba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira yobuikirano emanya mange naboigo bwatra Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo chyomugusi Ensoko TV uboroso bumugusi. Je, unakusudia kuandaa sherehe itakayosalia katika mioyo ya watu kama kumbukumbu daima? J&J tupo kwa ajili yako. Tunabadili kila tukio la furaha, fahari na ubora usiopimika. Tunatoa huduma mbalimbali kama vile viti vya kila aina, mimbari au meza za kuvutia, hema za kisasa, mapambo ya kuvutia, taa za kila aina, upishi wa vyakula vitamu, vioo vya kisasa, zulia za kila aina, mfumo wa matangazo kwa umma yani PS system, miongoni mwa huduma nyingi kwa bei rafiki. Kwa mengi zaidi tutembelee katika ofisi zetu zilizopo katika jiji kuu la Nairobi kwenye eneo la maonyesho yani showground, na ukiwa mjini Kisii ni katika eneo la Mwembe kwenye jengo la J&J lililo karibu na jumba la Isena White House, au unaweza kuwasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 0792071110 au tuandikie barua pepe kupitia anwani sales@jnjava.co.ke. J&J, kila tukio lina hadithi, tuandike pamoja. Obutindiro bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire ko Rubetami Rehabilitation Center Better Me Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonzo na Nairobi ga ugoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Better Me nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia maruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wana yaikireke wango guikarwarigo panya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Better Me twabarwari erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bwe
asamange twakirisimyese namba 07 06 84 0844 Better Me Rehabilitation Center lichiburio gukora chingatale ichiobutindu. Kanisa la Kiadventista la Kitengela Mashariki, yani Kitengela West, chini ya uongozi makini wa mchungaji Samuel Risye, kwa ushirikiano wa kamati ya ujenzi, tunakualika kwa ajili ya mchango mkubwa utakaofanyika tarehe 7 mwezi wa 3 mwaka wa 2026 katika uwanja wa kanisa hilo. Baadaye utanafasika kupokea neno la uzima kutoka kwa mtumishi wa Mungu mchungaji Manuel Tumpes, katibu mtendaji wa Kajiado Field, chini ya mada Inuka Ukajenge. Nyote mwalikwa.
Tujenge ukuta unabomolewa.
Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Biamono naende asensemo y'omurubiri akerotore asensemo ya kabiri tukunyagwesemya kubwatekana n'echinchera chiekerero cy'oburemi ritukoria rero tukumurekera oburemi bwekerero bw'echi avocado ase tukumurekera chi avocado echi cyanyara kuba chikwira emeri ase chiro ao nokugena kwanekero gwachire echiro nigo okonyoranga chi avocado nigo chigenderete nabo kuraenda gari kwaranga avocado echiga na kikwanyora chiriga chi avocado chine chiekerero kero Dr. Ombati anyare koba gagototebinga chi avocado nigo chibwate obuyango toeresara se mbuya kichava kato no mutimoko rego tanonere takarira avocado akarore ngagotiringa chigeni bantu mbararoronde shwanga okaranga ne nyama omaye gotebiguri avocado kwaranga yaya ni kunyarare ko bagagotwereranga avocado chibwate gochase afya yaitu na ki obonete gokoro kero kende tarazi mokoro bone myoboiga onyako bokora okokonyoro bwonchoreria gosonyore nibo nabo kokora osimeke no ni metebiriga no noyomo uragokonya ebune family yao to rindo nyara ko bagokomenya obumenyo obuya kero anyare ko bagagotwerera process yuko yekero kwanyorere atotenge seedling gosekemerie kiga ogo asenaro robone togo kenyora agetabwa tiborwaire erindo nyare ko ba kogo gesimeka bono konyotwera irega ngase process yo gosimeka no twanyare ko batogoiki erinda nyare ko bagagototengana ki bono na retire kemeriki ane na kiekiga na akire na remire ngoro Dr. Mbati by the way watanga bono ngogesimeka togesimeke ngobono.
Asante biamono sana. Murare sina ndi kinse chiga. Ege tonko chukwana igoro yo ntubwate kinto kora planting procedures. Na kitoko chukosimeke kemerieke. Na iga kobeta ina ki rasma kedo chukosimeka rasma turigeri irobali ito. Bone kedo chukosimeka ege ntonke to chukuligeria aka chingoro. Kero wakire chingurechi chiake ase space ya 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters by 60 that is oake 60 centimeters kuchinse ubugare 6 centimeters umayo kwa gento keke mayo kebeka nyumotara kebeka nubwate seedling ya certified seedling ochenero nyumotara nyebeka mix the topsoil umuchango uri iguru uburukanie no buyo minute buyo bwe ng'ombe na nabatetiri uburukani
to base ko be ko buyo style nero maite tunaye to gware me kwara be ko buyo kwa kubeke kemere
bono koletu buyo bori bwe ng'ombe packet yamo ka packet akaiga no kari kirangi kari gaichire kari gozo mutoriro uichire umurengore rime kere ko umurengore rime burukanio umuchango uyu iguru umuchango te topsoil kero kwa burukani umuchango uria teni simeka ogo simeka obo tambe bungana boria ngatena mwaro ya kero tware seedlings gosembe gweria ira serisa karaime be ko botambe bwirisa buna risa karingana
okubeka nerisa kareri
okurusiri sakara
okay
ngoro kaleta urwembe ubuture ngora urusie obisimike na marabaria kero wasimike na marabaria make sure kero kubeka umuchango uyo beko umuchanga to basa wikari ase grafting yakoreire ase grafting yakoreire tokore ndukike tuikiororo
na kyo koromanya grafting igakoreire bono umurimi ukawaida
na
kingo koramanya bono nerisa kararia nerire gatotebe gwatebire ndusiri sakariri mpaka na bekire ngo korama bono grafting na siri sakaragari erere to se
nabokora si joint yebekire
na se joint
yebekire yeri tunda rigoro omotori igoro no yose to baso ikya marabogabu ko ikya marababu ego chikusaleka igobone kido kubeka abu no bokubeka oikeri gabu igento kende to basa kubeka otige nguru asa amachari yago chigoche mbrekero ya ture amachari yakore gento kike achasta ginantiari akirororo imukya magoro amarababi abebuna nigoro elina amachari kembreke gotu amachakore gento kike aite chinsemo igento kende ekero kuwa kuri kubeka nebwenerete asa bukirenga kyabe karabite wasimikire to basa kwa ndo simike kando ubuchaho bokore gento kike bumere tororo asa babakari asafi igento kende ngo chikoteba nkirina burukani gento ko kadapa mone phosphate the DAP obugo simekera akasini obeka gake kero kwa burukani abekera iguru onchokana ni iguru DAP eni ndibona embreke go chikotubuna gusimbura ngo turekera lituko lakini tokana si mbreta igotwa beka korege gento ko ka watering tema kumurira mache for at least around 2 to 3 months okumurira mache lakini ke komana ngo sise italia semblere nyingi korage ndo kike tigembura ke gotu kinko mara wembura ke gotu make sure ko endelea kwenye check ili namba tunda ta korage ndo taza ku wild ko taza kususana iye kwa ubono wakore the first the second step ya yokusimeka litunda yao igento kende kupenda gukora ni go support litunda liki litunda de karoli ekedi kunyo gukina na abate litunda likukina so bwangu kero ya rose lisakariri within kitu around 6 months litunda nditakeri support because ndi korere gento kora grafting support nguchi kuliko ndi basa kuboneka gali si yakore tento kike dia bege dia bwataretiwe
abano support igana kyo
support yoko yetokoria you look for obu moto bosinini ebite bike guno miri biyo bichikawo to
sire kando
sire kando elinde bono kugutumeka obuusi elinde bono motori to karagento kike to basa kuboneka kero kwanye supportire gosoto nyara ko pende kweringa ekero wakuri kubeka igo bono you just now wait egento kento chokora nkerina inga kinero like kwasange esengo
se support akero kikiburingana na kibono ye support
pardon
tekero ritunderi watebire ndiganeti support ndige mete sibe ororo to support ekero rikiringana na kiusekero rire
ekero 6 months from the day you kwabegete asigento kike asamaraba 6 months after 6 months now usangidia korento kike
yakini yetenene bono
ndikugane support bono ngakine okonya kwakera kwanye bekire bono yakongere ugutigana neryo digende korento kike gukina igento kende nkerina ngusangiru ya mentre mosakas you are supposed to do pruning so that you get the specified ile ambayo inakufanya fruiting branch ngusangiru niko soka kiri kinyingi lakini nero reko kora gento kike gosokiri itunda you are supposed to do gento koroka pruning
na kibono ngokora manyenga itunderi gan bwanete ndi kore pruning
kero
na ndembi sabo kingo rusi ebindi bimbitike
mwana itune ngutakatoriria ria kinake kurusari because itune ria Asha avocado oritigensa na bori kwanza kubekera bisichara liga alias kwali the first branches bono tugutaka rikina
ligekera kunya kuri prune rikonya gukina eri ni
dikase dikunyara kwekonya chinengo chia chiraje yale chibe chia kongirete now the nekitokuruka no tumuri pati osangi mutoye stem ya kongire eri ndina ria nyanyoro twara chinguru chyo kubugoria matunda ria chokora into keke agochikobekwa igo nitakire ogendera okora into keke onye ku prune na ndi into kende ku affect the time litune ligo kunanse inaenda kuchukua ugonjwa kutoka wapi kurunse igo rasmi okore pruning ili litune likasi tinyare kurua matunda bia tutirimbo ketima itina murebaka ligere bakabori swali ine ndi ekedu tu akore gasi yonsi bigikire nkakia pruning ngite bonko chirwe kubeke bisicha kariya bekire bisicha mono nitakire usimeke avocado nege kutakera tu basa gwete avocado kiri kindi cyakare asi avocado kiri tu bwate avocado ya mikoro kwa Linda avocado Linda avocado ni a type of avocado ugusanga in most cases inapenda kutoa flowering sana alafu mwishowe ina shade all of them ngati ni mwarore bukate yibanda bange bakona cyamba bo ntikona avocado ile ubegeta avocado ya shade yabeka flowers na dia shade
kwanya avocado useninya
inye chioka inere ko konya avocado chinde koba bond you are supposed to leave that avocado utiga avocado area ige ko konya wona Asha avocado koleta avocado chire quality for example ne ba songa to bwatire avocado simeka avocado ko kufuete asimiti yao 10 beka avocado ya meko ko kunanaki fuete userinda ya kawaida ili ndibone chiko kwa avocado kia ash chiko korete tukeke nyare koba abantu bare usange babekira avocado iki lakini babekita avocado ya ash yoko mugono mugima bamaje kuchukokanya na avocado iki ana kibone kitanya kubeka inchi kitanya kubekira singi tobwa ati avocado yemo ili guchikonya fragrance cyabo chikorente tukeke cyane koba enga kia pollination
Iko bano nabo chikurus flowering chari
kaiga bono chia chikokonya avocado yende ko koragento keke koba igo no akero kwenda sawa nto bote large scale lazima koragento keke lazima tuane onyorna mbabu ati avocado chikuru kufuete goselinda echiko chikokonya sensema ya gento keke gokonya ya Asha avocado korosia agose ku produce quality avocados
biyamono bono na kingo koramanya kero yabekire ebisicha gosa matunda na kingo ramanya nga netakererio goserio nga kikingo beka
erio go ditangani amario kawaida lengotume kara ya kawaida igento gego affect avocado mono sana ni bichuni igento gya kabiri go affect avocado ekirerenke lakini ekirego chikobenene triko affected guten lakini kirere ngene bwato eshida ya gento koroka fungicide ndio sangina obukendu azike gusi ogo sangina yansi ko chinchi amataye angabuna akorete ntu amochiko na yellow gosukwa sangia kubotoka obo buna gusambika abo gutumikira ori fungicide na fungicide gutumika na botumika hozoden na botumika ledomil millax na kawaida tu ni dio godi bichun utasa tumia kawaida
akara okoro bole myoboiga kerengenjo keregendo bwato mechando yayo mechando kyumundara itere kerbono na cha kiro bole myoboiga tin swaroro 100% maite kulango simeka nkomerere nyora matunda maya nyora best usa the challenges yo more myagwetera.
The first one is litune kubugata you have to be that's mabendo kwa mwiro okoro bole ekinga itene gia sumbwira bantana bali na agusia matunda ya amatunda nya avocado lazima obe ko concentrate itunde ni nabatina ki itunde riri biasara tari itunde dio kobeka sokoria igora simuri rende igori itunde yakero kwa libekire ko bari affected mono sana ni meri igora simuteme kulende meri igento gya kabiro bwenta kurigereria ni kutwara riro uburiro korokana we uburiro mbororo bwocha buri bwo bukendu mono ubu bukeno bukuri affect sana igora simobe ko ryarikire lakini kiri tune iri kirebono ri around 2 years lianzire ko produce now abono burwere mboyo bono because yetene ne ile tirodio karienye
after 2 years tingo mario ko tetakeri
no te must egento radio ko be kidio go dio ndi 4 year like for example 4 year 17 so tadi ibisi chambi basa ko ragento keke mbi basa ko itakabinge na ndi sometimes ando ko boli bale na ki inke ko ribinto dito ina be ka avocado ibisi chambi ane bia begete binge ngako kana nyora matuna mange byonse bibikarwa ndete mbere se bali bandigere bali abate abarigere baita abantu baito bakurugusi tunda di avocado 90% it has to shade the flowers 90% only ekere kotika 30% ni wakati now the roots ikuna ibechisimamia alafu kutaiza kuna mborea ubuyo mbora bwoko bekwa bwoko kwa 23 which is now it is under the calcium potassium ere nyingi ekero wasangire bono guchiriri gwetenera bona ri uranyare go support flowers kirikiroro na matuna rero chukoboro erinde inyare kunyendagire isane egento kyo mwena go assessment ejo ya kwabikira matunda ao ekero kwabikira matunda yao egento keroro tukuruka marketing abakusi abange abami tonkumboli bara amaswali amana
na nje nate tukuboli echiro bono kwa bekire na agasire matunda aya nara yando chenga inkoira tingolion sinkole
actually togotena globally for 20 years from now amatunda ya avocado market ya itaendelea kurise reasons China is one of the countries to what industrialized countries but nyori babuga tamaruira mangi yenkoro because of the smoke no buruire gwenkoro mono bogo tumeka sana avocado ngo konyere ko neutral ko care ni amafuta in the body the cholesterol in the body bono kyabe kikoganirwa mono sana asensemo ya China na ndemuna muma yete China is the highly populated countries we have in the world igo avocado demand ya yire iko mono sana and one currently by as India they came to realize na avocado ningo konyere cancer urerwa cancer igone the more you take avocado konyera cancer because of the clotting of the blood igone ndo chote ya bategere bali baturigere tinkerina avocado market ya trikwera in short no need to under the Benjack Fresh Farm Limited avocado wanachukua in Kisiland in every week it's more than 1 ton and chimbura igo no ni ntutwe kanto ta avocado ekituko kombite na chirocho naba kenyambi bali bantu ku Central Kenya abasongo bakitagete iga avocado nyondo kabwate ga avocado in short the market is wide the market is wide
alafu gabono asenare na nywere bono iga kerogo taite kogesa chief card chiao na kyogo chitu bona ite gusia kanyara bandu kunyagalio mutega chiagu chiari twachora use kwa ngusaiga kero kuri ebone chiga asha avocado na kingo chitu
asante avocado de yonsi na nengo ngoteya abarigere bita agusaba lime baito bagusi onde bonsi tabasa wochicha anyegeri avocado once buno konyegeri avocado will take 2 years again kwama 2 years
konyeroga
is like now you buno kwaira 2 years in short avocado you are supposed to gotumeka muna kali akabire ekebochi kwa leta
akamotokoro si wabeka kawaya
kwangusa avocado yo konya obosa to save that avocado lakini no kote ino moto na somo tego nyegeri avocado icho ayabono chivuka tukoleba tukochira for 2 years until now there's a certain hormone china kwa ndani ya mizizi muno kwanyegeria avocado bone gutakona nite te yanza kwama bono may affect because yoko nyegeri iganalia na gekora mugusa mwakarire kale embrekere yagature kale embreri yo mubira chibukate kya kabenga kenda mbikite kora into kike kitari kwama dakekere bone embure twite ya kawaida chibukate kya kora into kike ekyale kwama igendo nayo tenkeri na ki avocado ya ash okorigia magas because avocado ya steri ntambe chinyinge chire chinyenge okorigia magas kwa butura buya avatare kire kwa butura avocado nende kwa butura ekiro akanto kalibwatete kwa butura nende kwa karutu akande kwa na chiransi avocado chikwama chikutora continuation yokwama
sene chondo che ebiro bia erire akero kende ngon advice kiora base kwa umuremi olio taete gokoro buremi totebe is abatu bure umugondo moke atete gokoro buremi bwa bwa avocado advice yaone rero cyasara
ige ndona chiko teba nkirina tiga abantu banyare kubwatana because oburemi bwa avocado usoburemi bonde bwensi mbutageta amasomo tiga abantu banyare kubwatana ni groups ekera babwatana ni groups baya kuchivukado kusaba baya kuchivukado nende banyora amasomo the way we are doing in Central Kenya province in Ukambani the way for now tumeanzisha hapa in Nairobi because abantu baitu bana rubu n'abantu bali ruwaimba bwate imigondo bagusibita n'abantu bagutara babwate imigondo ororo te babwata ni chigurupu kera babwata ni chigurupu no bakondangeria kuse baje bakaje kwat to get the best seedlings biribanyo those seedlings bakisimeke no usimeke mutoyo mubuka neba nali kuwa ubugate umugondo ubugate uri 50 per 100 ubeke chibukato isana choka you can be able because if kanu naba eresa if kadem the first starting yield ekoba 70 pieces after tego kule miaka 5 years utazapata around 1000 pieces yon akato akisa afisema mathematics 1000 no ni bukate yamo 20 bo yibe zini ngobate
kwanyara chibe
you have money igubuna bona eso gokora asensembo for example ya Juja ntubwate byombe buna bona kyombe kinkero gekoro kwa masikani nimeanza mambo ya mafunzo ntubwate kyombe gekoro kwa tawa tuansira mafunzo ibyombe bire Nairobi iga tuansira biro bya mafunzo erinde bono abagusiba itu bali abalemi bamwire koba bari ko ya Nairobi na bibe toke namba bwate chinguru cyo kunyore amapato wetirase oburemi ebyasara
umuremi ure gusiyo utayete gukonyora na kiara abanyore
asense byana nye umuremi ure gusi nkogenda ndoro in every month like this month nitakuwa astokurka etono etono is in Nyamira County nitakuwa na wakulima kutoka the surrounding etono mpaka Nyamira watakuwa pande hiyo nikiwa nitakuwa naendelea kupeana chimbegu cha amasosa the seedlings cha masosa cha kisasa alafu nitapeana some few plant seedlings cha avocado ya hash na hiyo tunapeana free for the fact because we want to target essence ya itu ya gusi inyaro amapadiriko and it is for the benefit of the Kisii community ekeri chikabira chinde chiagenderere inki abagusi tutagenderere ntubule
biamona hasenge ncho yebiro Dr. Mbati to wakirambia muno sana kwa nyareko bagogo sanga nainto na ndento che tukorangeri naende keruta korangeri rende go itabiro muito hoika mapema irinda bagusi banyareko bago esomya kubwatekana nechimbinu choburemi au anene chinjira chekerero cyo kwenyorera ebese na wikiraga bo murigeri bwensoko no to gukorera omwari bo murubiriri kuri rero ngo gwakirambia muno kyanda gikumi bari bari ka ujumbe tinyare tiko bagosoma chujumbe chene kubwatekana nebiro nigo byanya rero bikubutuka senge ncho moroberi orenga umya tumirane chinga kichinde rietarane Linet Nyambane.
Eye